Hi lovely ladies, and welcome to day 3 of the 21 baby steps to an organized home with the Fly Lady system, Suzy style. Yes, now we are going through 21 days of just a challenge to get our homes and our organization to the next level, following tips from the Fly Lady system. She has a 31 baby steps thing that she does, but I have whittled it down to 21 baby steps. So in day number 3, what we are going to do is we are going to put out a hotspot. The Fly Lady refers to a hotspot, any place in your home where clutter tends to accumulate. You know that place where guys just drop junk and then it just grows and grows and grows. So she looks at this as a fire, you know, where there's a small fire. If you don't take care of it, it grows and grows and grows. So basically that's what we are going to tackle today. Any place in your home, it could be your dining table, it could be just a shelf or somewhere where guys just dump things and then they keep dumping and dumping. And today we are also going to introduce the timer. Yes, the Fly Lady is so key on setting a timer because honestly it only takes 2 minutes to clear a hotspot, and she says even if by the end of 2 minutes it's not cleared, it is okay. You don't have to finish. Just do for 2 minutes and move on to the next task. Honestly, you can do anything for 2 minutes, right? So today I'm going to show you the hotspot that I am going to put out. I'm going to set a timer and we are going to do it boom, 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 2 minutes and we are done. I really hope you are enjoying these 21 baby steps, and now let's put out this hotspot fire! So this is my hotspot in our room. This is the chest of drawers that you might have seen in our room. Now, this is the place where my husband and I tend to just dump stuff. You know, when we're coming into our room and stuff is going on, we just dump, dump, dump. As you can see, it is not looking very Fly Lady-like. We have some fabric here that we were showing a client. If you're interested in great fabric, this is Woodin, actually, very good African fabric. I will link it down below. And then we have chargers, we have books, we have what. So basically what I've noticed is if I don't clear this every day for 2 minutes, oh my gosh, it becomes so messy. By the time 3 days are over, you can't even. So that's why the Fly Lady says just take 2 minutes and clear out this hotspot, and that is exactly what I am going to do. There's also some coffee here that I'm taking because, as you can hear, I have a nasty cold and I have to keep on drinking some warm liquids so that I can stop sounding like a donkey. So basically, let me clear this hotspot, and let me actually show you as I'm setting the. All right, I've gone to my phone app. The Fly Lady normally sells what do you call it? A timer, which is like an old-fashioned timer, but see now as we are digital. Okay, so let me set my timer for, can you see? There we go, 2 minutes and boom. So how awesome was that, and how quick was that? And as you can see, the place is looking very, very well. And I even had a few seconds to spare. So yes, guys, that is how we put out a hotspot in 2 minutes and under, and it really makes a difference to your home. Now, I hope you have downloaded our checklist, because today we're going to check number 3, because so far we are shining our sink, we are dressing to shoes, and now we have put out a hotspot for 2 minutes. So what you're going to do also in the checklist, sorry, in the checklist we have a morning routine, afternoon routine, and evening routine. So you need to put for yourself where each of these activity falls in. So go filling out your morning routine, afternoon and evening routine, depending on the activity that we do here and the time that it works best for you. Fly Lady suggests putting out a hotspot twice, once in the morning and once in the evening, so that you keep things clear. Because for me, for instance, I have 2 hotspots that I can think of. I have this one, and I also have one right outside our room. So now in the evening, I'm going to take another 2 minutes to put out that hotspot. So basically, let's check our box and also start filling out our morning, afternoon, and evening routine. I'm sorry guys, I sound like a donkey, but you know what? Excuse me. I hope you are getting some value from this. If you're liking this challenge, let me know in the comment section below. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and now let's tick this box.